Should India print more money to boost its economy? Hello and welcome to Easenomics. This is Tanmay. Today we will talk about what the government of India can do to revive its economy and see what eminent economists, bankers and former RBI governors have to say. So let's get started. The COVID pandemic has severely damaged lives and livelihood across the nation. There's an evident slowdown in the economy. The periodic lockdown since March 2020 has taken a toll on several sectors. The promising signs of economic recovery after the first wave ran into brutal second wave. As a result, there's a downgrade in the economy. Against this backdrop, there has been calls for a large fiscal stimulus in order to get the economy back to health. So recently, few economists, bankers, former RBI governors gave their views and opinions to whether there is a need for printing more money to get the economy back on track. But there are also concerns over the increase in money supply that can impact the economy in an adverse way by leading to inflation. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is money printing, why we need monetary expansion in the economy right now, and the views expressed by these economists, former RBI governor and bankers. So basically, I'll tell you what happens when economy slows down. People lose their job and work and all means of consumption falls. This leads to fall in demand for various goods due to lack of purchasing power, and falling demand can have a dangerous repercussion on the economy. Production will go down, requirement of work will fall, rise in unemployment, and that is the cause of fall in consumption. It is a vicious cycle. Printing of more money will help the poor and also the economy to revive. It solves the dual objective. Before starting, I would like to explain the widely used tools to influence a nation's economic activity. They are monetary policy and fiscal policy. The fiscal policy is formulated by the Ministry of Finance through its budget proposals. The current Finance Minister of India is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. The RBI formulates monetary policy and the current governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Okay, now we will first understand what is money printing, why are people asking for it, and what are the risks involved with it. Okay, so how can government raise money by printing? Monetization is a method of raising funds by government. The other methods are borrowing and raising revenue through taxes. It occurs when central bank buys bonds directly from government to adjust the liquidity in market. So why are people asking for printing more money? A huge economic stimulus and relief program is required to combat the damage done by COVID. Since there is a severe distress, destruction and damage, distributing money can elevate pain. Monetization is getting support because only government is in position to bring relief to distressed citizens and small business. Now, let us look at how monetization can be achieved. It can be achieved through deficit financing. Deficit financing is the budgetary situation where expenditure is higher than revenue. It is a practice adopted for financing excess expenditure with outside resources. The expenditure revenue gap is financed by either printing of currency or through borrowing. Deficit financing mostly leads to inflation because there's a lot of money supply in the economy. This can discourage the foreign investors. Besides providing temporary relief, this deficit financing is advocated to enable households and businesses to get out of the state of panic. But if it gets out of hand, it could lead to financial instability as seen in countries like Zimbabwe and Venezuela. In Zimbabwe, the national government increased the money supply in response to rising national debt, and that led to hyperinflation in the nation. Venezuela's economy began to experience hyperinflation during 2016. The main cause of hyperinflation includes heavy money printing and deficit spending. Moving on, in 2020, Ministry of Finance introduced ECLG scheme, that is Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme, to aid MSME sectors due to the economic distress caused by the pandemic, where government provided Rs 3 lakh crore collateral free loans. Due to the second wave of the pandemic, few bankers, economists, and former RBI governors raised their concern and suggested few ways to bring the economy back to track. Uday Kotak, the CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank and the current president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, in an interview recently, Uday Kotak suggested that government should increase its fiscal stimulus and do that through printing more currency. There should be direct transfer of cash to the poor, which will provide an income and support the household and individuals who are badly affected by the COVID-related restrictions. On the other hand, the former RBI governor D. Subbarao is against this whole idea of printing money. According to him, the current situation does not call for RBI directly monetizing the deficit. The cost of doing it is going to be more than the benefit. He believes there's enormous amount of liquidity in the system. And lastly, direct cash transfers should be the last resort. With this, we come to an end of this video. I would love to know your views on this policy. Do you think printing money is needed to get the growth engine roaring again? Please let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you for subscribing to Easenomics.